Here is the scenario. You are a sprinkler system designer. You're using Autocad in 2D with HydraCAD tools. You need to elevate your drawing to 3D for coordination, stock listing, whatever it may be. One day, you go to elevate your drawing to 3D and you are greeted by this message. Drawing successfully elevated to 3D. No errors were found. Except if you've ever elevated a drawing before, you know the machine needs a second to process, and you also know that your piping should not disappear. We hit OK, and now we can see that there is nothing. It hasn't flown out into space, as can happen, but everything you've worked on appears to be lost, save for the things that aren't HydraPipe and Sprink specific related. If we go back to 2 dimensions, everything returns. So you can relax, heart attack averted, but now we have to figure out what is going on, because if you're coordinating this, what are you supposed to do? I ran into this on a secure government job, and I couldn't share that with you, so I'm recreating it here with a less secure facility. And I'm going to show you what HydraCAD's tech support helped me through to fix it. And it is surprisingly simple. The real question is, why did it ever mess up? So, if we come in here, simply left click on one of your riser nipples. It does not matter if it's computer generated or hard set. Left click and right click, and let's go select similar. Now you have every riser nipple selected, regardless of computer generated or you've entered it yourself. Let's go to right click and properties, common pipe info, and we're going to scroll down just a little bit till we get to permanent. And the issue is somehow my file changed itself on its own, or through some fumbling of fingers I haven't figured out. It's supposed to say 0, not permanent, but it's been set on 2. If we put this on 0, not permanent, simply close out your properties tab, hit save, because you never want to not save. Let's go back to show 3D. Let's do this in real time so you know it's legit. We should be isometric at any moment. And this is what you're used to seeing. There should always be this error dialog box. And I don't know how yours works, but I know I can ignore pretty much all of these. And now we have our system put back together. This error happened on a 3-story, very involved project, and I was furious thinking I had lost my progress, but that was all it took. Much more complicated system than this, but it fixed everything simply by changing that from fixed to not in the permanent properties. So if you're having that issue, I hope that helps. Any other strange questions, because there's not a lot out there on HydraCAD, just let me know. Thanks for watching.